Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you how to add your phone number to your Roblox account. So guys, as you can see, you just need to tap on this gear icon on the top right and go to the settings, and in account info, somewhere in here you will have a phone number option. So as you can see, in my case it's missing. Maybe it's going to be in the security tab. Nope. So why it's missing for me, basically the phone number function is available only to certain countries. So if you're in a country that doesn't support it, I don't know why they do that, why they do it that way, so that some countries support a phone number and some don't, no idea. But if you're one of the guys like me that don't have it, there's no way to add it. So the only way, for example, if you're adding the phone number for the security reasons, to secure your account is going to be your email address, which is, well, of course, mandatory. As you can see, in my case, it's verified. Or it's going to be under security settings, you can add a authenticator. It's very, very secure as well. Also, you can have the hardware security key, very secure, as you can see as well, to secure your accounts and, you know, basically prevent it from getting hacked or stolen, or just, you know, yourself from losing access to it. So in general, guys, if you do have this phone number option, just pick your country code, add your phone number and hit add phone. You'll get a 6-digit code via SMS or WhatsApp. Check your texts. Type that code into the box, then click verify. If prompted, enter your account password for extra security, and boom, your number is now linked. Hopefully this helps you guys. Enjoy the video. Hope it was helpful. Guys, like and subscribe to support our channel, and I will see you in the next one.